Hello everyone, this is Joanne Charles of Island Girl Lifestyle and I'm coming to you with another Dollar Tree haul. But before I show you the items that I purchased, I want to do a quick product review. So I purchased this item from the Dollar Tree and it's called Leather Vinyl Protectant. It says it cleans, conditions, and protects. So I wanted to try it out on my leather sectional to see if it really cleans and it, gives it a nice sheen. So it actually did do a great job in cleaning the leather, but it actually left the leather kind of dull. It removed the sheen. So I would not recommend this product to use on leather. So I just wanted to give you my opinion on this product. So that was my product review. So moving along, let's start the haul. Now, if you've seen my previous Dollar Tree haul, I was telling you that I plan on having a Father's Day barbecue. And I was thinking about what kind of gifts I can give to the fathers as, a favor. So I found these really cute picture frames. It says you're the best dad, and it's for like a 4x6 picture. So I had this idea that I would purchase some photo paper, take the pictures of the dads and their kids, and towards the end I would print the pictures out and I would give the dads as a gift. So that's why I purchased about 5. Next, my daughter picked this out. This is a 6 birthday photo props, and I thought it was appropriate because it has like a tie, a bow tie, a top hat, and some mustaches. So I thought that would be fun for the fathers to take pictures and use the props, and even the kids could use the props also. Now, I needed some gift bags, so I found these kind of a navy blue paper bags. I purchased about, like 3 packs, and it comes in a pack of 2 paper bags here. And so I picked this color because it goes perfectly with the theme, and the theme of the Father's Day barbecue is kind of like a coastal theme. So moving along, I also purchased these fun LED votive candles. It has that kind of like mercury glass effect. And it's like this really nice copper color. For some reason, it's not really coming off. The camera is not really coming off as this copper color. So I grabbed 4 of them, which I will use for a tablescape. And I also purchased these unscented tea light candles, and it comes in a pack of 16. Also for a outdoor tablescape idea. So I actually had tried these out. These are Carmelo's pizza crust. I tried them out and I really liked them, so I grabbed 3 packs. So it actually comes with 2 pizza crusts. And another idea is they would be great for the grill. You can actually place them on the grill and have some pizza on the grill, which, I thought it would be fun. So I picked up 3 packs of those. So I always like to check out the book section to see what kind of books they have, like some nice coffee table books. And I found this one here. It's called Matthew Mead's Backyard Style. Hundreds of fresh ideas for outdoor spaces. And I really like the pictures. They had some great recipes. Speaking of pizza on the grill, as you can see here. They also had some DIY ideas here. It's a really good book, and I thought it would be great for my coffee table. So moving along, I had this idea in my head. I always have these DIY ideas in my head of making these fun type of pillows. Now, I had purchased these bath mats. I actually purchased one of these bath mats a while back. And when I looked at it, I was like, oh, I don't think I would use it for an actual, as a bath mat, but I thought this would be great for a accent pillow. Now, the idea that I had was that I was going to do kind of like a, I guess, Joanna Gaines Magnolia style accent pillow. Now, so I would actually cover up the butterfly design with some yarn and like do like a cool design. But if you're interested in seeing that DIY, leave me a thumbs up and a comment. So moving along, I also purchased these. I always like to get their melamine plates, and I found this one. I thought that was nice. It has this coastal theme going on with the coral, the different colored coral. So I went ahead and I grabbed 6. And also, if you're interested in seeing a outdoor tablescape, leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and I will do the video for that. And let's see, what else do we have here? So the last product was this, they call it a cocoa liner. So I guess you use it to place your plants in, and you can actually hang it up. So I my previous Dollar Tree haul, I had purchased these wired hanging baskets. So I figured I could use this to put my plant inside of it and then place it inside of the hanging wire baskets. So if you didn't see that, my previous Dollar Tree haul, you should definitely check it out, and I will have the iCard above so you can check it out. So yeah, so that's basically my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more Dollar Tree hauls, DIY tutorials and such, please subscribe. And this is Joanne Charles of Island Girl Lifestyle. Have a nice day. Bye.